Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at two more types of APIs. So we're going to be looking at the dog API and a stock API. So in the dog API, it's going to give me a link and I'm going to open it on Google Chrome, and then it's just going to display an image of a dog, randomly. And in the stock one, we're going to be looking at it retrieves stocks from a specific company. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see another program. At the top, as usual, so we're going to do today, then the rules and last program. So today we're going to be looking at another two APIs, so the dog API and the stock API. We will first be looking at the dog API, which will give me the link to the image of a dog. So here I have Google open, so I'm just going to paste that link in because I'm unable to display the image. So I'm just going to comment this, and when I run this, I get this, so it's a success, and basically all I have to do is I have to copy this link and then paste it here. So then I got this picture this time. Then if I run it again, copy it and paste it, and then this time I got this image. So every time it's random, so it gives me any image that I want. So at some point it'll give me this image or that image, or basically it gives me random dog images. So what I've done is I've imported request, then res equal to request.get. I've put in this link and then print res text. So when I run this, I get, so this is the link, and then when I print res text, I get this, and then I just need to copy this link and just need to paste it into Chrome. After that, so we have looked at the dog API. Then we're going to be looking at stocks for companies by using the simple. So like companies like, for example, we're going to be looking at BAC. So here I've hard-coded BAC over here. And all I need to do is you need to take this, put this here because I need to use request for this one too. So here I've used my API key. Then here I've set, so here I'm using xignite.com. So I've basically said res is equal to request.get. Then I put in this f over here so that I can use the curly brackets to put in the variable name. It's basically the same as doing if I do this and then write API key. So I've used the curly brackets because I find it easier to do that, to put in the curly brackets and just do it, because if it's in the middle of the link, then it's a bit confusing to take it away, put the comma and then all that. So I just use the F, and then I'm going to run this. So then here it says, here it gives me all of this information. So basically I've said API key is this, then res is equal to request.get, and then I put in the link at the end, next token, I just needed to put in my API key, and then print res.text. Now we're going to look at the status code. So status code. So then I'm going to run this and I get 200. And even if I don't write status code, it's still going to give me. So if I just say res, then it's still going to give me response 200. So it's the same thing, except in status code it just gives the number. Here it just says response in this. And same for this one. So I'm just going to take this one away and just going to paste this here. Then instead of text, I'm going to put in status code. So here I get 200 again because it works.